Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your laptop OS and freeing at least 1 GB of space so the installer runs without interruption. Next, sign into the Google account you'll use. This ensures Drive links to the right storage and permissions. Once done, download the Google Drive for Desktop installer and save it to Downloads. Downloading now avoids delays later when you install, and signing in upfront means the app can authenticate immediately after installation for a faster setup. You run the installer and accept OS security prompts so Drive can create the virtual drive and sync engine. Then choose between stream files, which saves local space by on-demand access, or mirror files, which keeps local copies for offline work. This choice affects disk usage and speed. Make sure to set or confirm local folder locations and pick specific folders to sync. Once configured, the app prepares the file index, so your selected folders begin synchronizing in the background. You finish by opening File Explorer or Finder to verify the Google Drive virtual drive exists and shows your files. This confirms connection and indexing. Use the system tray icon to pause or resume sync, check transfer status, and review recent errors. If something goes wrong, first sign out and sign back in, then reboot the laptop. These steps fix most authentication or transient issues. If problems persist, clear Drive cache as a last resort and reauthorize the app to rebuild the sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.